Today we're looking at a 2008 Honda CBR1000RR. This is going to be my March build. As you can see, it has a few issues. It has been down once or twice or 3 or 4 times. So we're going to just go over some of the stuff we're going to replace. The tires are actually pretty good on here, but they are pretty old. They're about 3 or 4 years old that they've been on the bike, and they do feel hard. They're not sticky anymore. The gas tank does have rust in it, so I have a new tank on order. We're going to put some shorty levers on it. We're going to get rid of the bar end mirror. We're going to put regular Honda CBR mirrors on it. The plastic's going to go away. I'm looking at a black plastic kit. We're going to put new chain and sprocket. This little tail titty from Honda is going to go away. I'm going to put something else a little bit cooler on it and maybe get some LED turn signals. Put some EBC HH pads on the rear. We're going to put a red braided Galfer brake line on the rear. We'll change the oil, get a Honda filter on there. We'll change the coolant, get some orange coolant in the bike. Again, the tires still have the nubs on them, but these tires are probably 4 years old. This bike hasn't been ridden in quite some time. It's just been parked. We'll get some shorty levers. We're going to replace the front brake lines with red Galfer braided brake lines. I may even put heated grips on it because it gets chilly up here in the morning sometimes. It's nice to have some warm hands when you're riding. This bike is done. I'm hoping it's going to be a metallic blue with red Honda wing on each side. So come back. I'm going to start this build probably in March. I'm going to start with the gas tank. If I replace the gas tank and the bike runs fine, then I'm going to start the build all the way and order the fairings and get it to showroom condition like the other ones I've done. Thanks for watching the video.